Okay, so for this experiment, we're going to use two of the rods that we used before. We're using the rubber rod with the fur, which we know produces a negative charge, and we have the glass rod with the silk, which we know produces a positive charge. And I have three neutral objects that I just grabbed from around the science room. I'll introduce them to you. We have a steel Bunsen burner shield thing. We have a plastic water bottle squirter thing, maybe for eye wash or something, I'm not sure. And we have some scissors. Okay, so I'm gonna rub the rods and I'm gonna see how they interact with these three objects. Let me get a good angle here. Okay, so here's my Teflon rod, my rubber rod with the fur. So this is supposed to create a negative charge because the fur is picking up those electrons. Okay, so I'm going to bring it over here by this thing. I don't know if you can see that very well, but it's definitely spinning. It is definitely moving in ways that it wouldn't on its own if it was just sitting there. So something is happening there. It's probably repelling because it's not drawing closer to it. It's moving kind of away from it. So that was the Bunsen burner shield with the rubber rod. Now I'm going to take this glass and I'm going to rub it with the silk to give it a positive charge. I'm going to see what happens with that. So nothing is really happening at all. I noticed this thing is kind of wobbling a little bit. I wonder what that's about. But it didn't seem to be interacting with it very much. So not much is happening with the positive. Now let's see about this. Can you see this one? Yeah. So it's not interacting, the positive glass rod is not interacting with the scissors. It also did not interact with the plastic water bottle, and it also did not really interact with this Bunsen burner thing. It's moving a little bit, but not a whole lot. Okay, so we did the rubber and the Bunsen burner, but now I'm going to do the rubber and the plastic water bottle and the scissors. I can actually smell like a little burny smell, so that makes me think that there's definitely some charge going on, or at least some kind of chemical reaction happening. Okay, so we saw that move that. Let's just move this. Let's see if we can do anything with this one. So it is not interacting with this plastic thing. Let's rub it some more, see if we can make a difference with these scissors. They are moving. Yeah, I would say they're moving more than they would if they were just sitting here. So let's say that that had a negative effect, or meaning like it repelled from this negative rod. Okay, there it is.